Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are now doing outside projects, and I wanted to discuss putting together the walk-in greenhouse. The best $49.99 I think I have spent yet. I got this at Ocean State Job Lot. I'm not a salesman for Ocean State Job Lot. I just buy products and I put them together. So it was actually kind of fun. So if you like Legos, you're going to like this project, because really there's only so many ways that these guys can go together. Now here's the thing, some of them can go in places and you don't think much of it because, hey, that worked. I had to take a few out and reconfigure, because I'm like, where is that piece? So let's look for the instructions, which are now MIA. All I can say, the instructions are super minimal. Okay, very, very minimal. You really have to just use your spidey guts. Let's see if I put them in here. It's really kind of hard to see if I put them in there or not. I don't see them. At any rate, it basically, they didn't spare any ink. So, I mean, I work for a QA software company. I know what this means to have proper documentation. There's, I would say it was sort of okay. It kept me guessing. But if I was a plumber, this would have been a no-brainer. If my name were Mario. Now, here's the thing. Look, I only have, give me a break. Come on. I only have 3 extra pieces. Oops. We got that piece. We got this piece. This piece goes up here. It goes in the middle, like this. I think, honestly, it's an extra one. So, this guy here, 5 pieces of pipe go into there. Maybe in the morning I'll figure out where this guy went. So, that will be one of these guys. Right? Apologize for the darkness, but well, I have them all connected, so I don't know what to say. So we're going to say you're an extra piece, and he is an end cap. Well, I already have both end caps, so he's an extra piece. Consequently, I built this yesterday in a hurry. Now it's available, so I'll probably stain it, router, make it look pretty, and sell it at our craft show. So thanks for tuning in to SC Custom Designs. I mean, this really isn't a video on how to put it together, but let me say, so I'm about 6 foot, so, and shrinking, and I can comfortably fit inside this guy. And we have 8 shelves. Now, what I love about this is I can just water the kajeebies out of these guys. It can go down on the ground, who cares? And I was surprised how fast, by the way, this guy languished. He was all perky, kinds of perky yesterday. And sitting out in the sun all day long, and perhaps sitting on that wood, it just sucked all the moisture out. So, here we go. And there were some of the new plants that were put in out on the poly woodshed on the outside. I'm only assuming that they are my son and daughter-in-laws. So at any rate, we got plenty of room here for more adventure. Oh, here are the instructions, my friends. So this is what you have to work with. So they tell you how many pieces there are, so I'll be counting that up just for giggles. Okay, and we'll have a look at this. So it was kind of fun, though. I thought it was really cool here, though. Look, A, B, C, D, E, oh my gosh, E, F, G, H, I, J. I don't understand that thinking. We're not using letters over here, right? So that's what you get. All right, so it took me about 2 hours to put this guy together. And once again, it was fun. I was racing against the clock. We went to Thatcher's Park today. And my wife and I went to an area that we don't believe we've ever been to before. That was fun. So we took the 4 kids as we were growing up and traipsed around. Fun story, true. My brother-in-law jumped down on a ledge, you know who you are, and scared the bejeebies out of us. You don't do that, so he was having fun. It was Thanksgiving, I don't know how many years ago. If I were to guess, 6 years, I don't know. And there goes my light. I wonder what you can see now. Thanks for tuning in to SC Custom Designs. Division sur téléphone. L'chaim.